Okay, we have a 2007 Honda Pilot EXL. We previously have replaced the brake pads and the rotor on this specific side. Today we're going to change out the little boots right here on the bolts down here and down right there. They're getting pretty old, so we're going to change those out. So we're going to start with a 12 millimeter socket. That will get the bolt out there and right up here as well. Okay, so we got the caliper off, so you can just sit right there. It'll sit there just fine. I took the first one off, as you can tell. It was right there. It's right over here now. So I go ahead and took the boot off right there. Here's the sliding bolt. Go ahead and wipe it off. So I got this from O'Reilly's. It was part, see, it was a 16108. This is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and slide that on here. Make sure to re-grease it. Just got some dielectric grease that you can just slab on there as well. So we'll get that on here in a sec. Okay, the top bolt on the very end there, so you can see it comes with a little rubber piece right there that it does come with a replacement. This is the old one. So just put that on there. We'll clean it up here, and then we'll put some of the grease on it and put it back on. Okay, got the boots back on at the bolts. It's kind of a pain in the butt. If you actually take the bolt out and put the boot in back in the hole, it was a lot easier than putting the boot on the bolt and trying to get this back into the little hole over here. So just realize that if you're having issues getting this rubber boot back in with the bolt, it's a little bit easier if you take the bolt out and then put the boot back in there. So other than that, put the caliper back on and tighten everything up.